Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing this kids action camera right here. As you can see, Jason is currently using it. The footage that you're seeing, this is coming off of our iPhone, and the next footage that you're getting ready to see, this is the actual footage from this kids camera at 1080p. This is them playing bowling. Of course, this is a little bit dark environment. I'm pretty sure in the daytime it's going to be a lot better. And please enjoy the review, guys. Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be unboxing kids action camera that is waterproof that I got for Jason. So Jason, you gonna unbox it for us today?
Yeah.
Okay, let's... Okay. I think kids are really going to enjoy this camera. We're going to take it to the YMCA, and they're going to be actually making videos of themselves. They actually like to make all kinds of videos. They're starting to really be active. So, wow, what is that?
It's the camera.
It's the camera?
Oh.
What else is included? Wow, there's an SD card. That's amazing. Let's see what kind of SD card it is. So Jason, can you set it up for us today?
Yep.
Okay, let's do that. Wow, 32 gigabyte SD card. Very nice. So it comes with this waterproof case. It does have a 1/4-inch screw mount, so that means you could mount it like this on something. We do have a bike mount, and we do have a place for us to actually twist that little screw in. And we have another mount. Looks like this is a belt mount or a helmet mount, something like this. Let's add the SD card to it, and let's see if this camera is actually, if it's on from the factory. This is what it looks like, and it's really nice for kids. It looks to be waterproof, but we probably need a case for it. And it also has a 1/4-inch screw mount over here, which is real nice, and it's made out of metal. Let me add an SD card to it. Let's see, here's the SD card slot.
Hey, it can play music.
It could play music, yes.
From the water.
From the water.
Wow.
So we inserted the SD card inside. Let's see if we could power this camera on.
I like that present. Okay.
Okay. Let's power this camera on. We're going to power it on in the back. It comes on. It's got a welcome screen. And you could actually immediately start taking video.
Wow. I'm in.
Are you excited? You need to put it right there. You sure you got it right? Let's see here. We have the on button. It looks like, hold on. Let's go ahead and actually stop the video recording. It's starting to record. I'm going to turn it off. And then we're going to insert it like this. Here, you could insert it. Wow, you got it, Jason. You're showing us how to set it up the correct way. Wow. Wow, you got yourself a camera.
How do you picture that?
This is for pictures. You could take pictures. Yeah, you just took a picture of me. This is how you take a video. You have to press it once for the video, and then you have to press it again to record. So now it's recording. So now you're making video. Isn't that exciting?
Cheese.
Cheese!
Where is that starting?
This is for taking pictures. See, once you switch to, so you have a video that's on, so you need to stop the video. Now you could switch to picture mode, and now you could take lots of pictures.
Say cheese.
Cheese! All right. You're doing it good, Jason. It actually looks like it's got a waterproof body.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay.
All right.
Sure.
Hey guys, I do want to explain. This camera does have several photography type of modes. It was set from the factory to 1 megapixel. We set it to 5 megapixel type of camera. For the video, it was set to 720p. We set it to 1080p. I'm really not sure if you could expect these type of qualities, but after all, it says Full HD 1080p. But after all, it is a kid's camera, so it does come, of course, with a lot of cool stuff, lots of extras. Of course, a bike mount, because, you know, obviously kids ride bikes, and we're definitely going to be using that. And it does have a 1/4" screw type of mount. Now, the fun thing about it, guys, it's not just the body that looks like for kids. They also protected it with a rubber type of, you know, like casing for it. And there's special photo modes. There's like 2 modes over there, like where there's like 2 bunnies, you get to take a picture of them, or like one of them, there's like a Christmas tree mode where you could make yourself look like you're an ornament on the tree. So bunch of other different type of modes like this that would be actually kind of fun for kids. And Jason actually just left with the camera. Obviously, he's a huge fan. It does have a really nice carrying case. This case is actually high quality. I mean, take a look at this case. Actually, it's made really, really nice with black and red accents. I really like how this is like indented out. And it does have a place over here for the camera once you do put the case on. The great thing about it is it does come with an SD card, so you don't have to actually buy it. And this is definitely going to be like enjoyable for kids, because it's only $50. It's a lot cheaper than like a GoPro, and it's actually going to be fun for kids. It's like user friendly for kids. He was already pressing buttons just off the camera here, like, and he's obviously just taking pictures and video with it. It's actually pretty intuitive for kids, very easy. Here's the charging cable, and I believe it's a data cable as well. Of course, it is taken into the SD card, so obviously just insert it to your computer and boom, you could have that. So it's a micro USB type of charging cable. So we have lots of those, so we could just keep this as a spare inside. It does have like other, you know, like stuff in the menu that it does here. And one thing I noticed for video, there's actually video modes. Like you could take a video like in black and white, some blue accents, some red, some yellows, whatever you actually want. So that's kind of actually cool that kids could decide to be a little bit creative and actually take those type of accents. Of course, this is, you know, for kids to play with. I will be testing out the quality, see what kind of quality it is once I do upload the pictures after Jason takes them, and then we're just gonna include that into this video so you can this video, so you could expect what kind of video quality and, you know, sound quality this camera actually puts out. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, guys, and God bless you.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.